Hello everyone, welcome once again. So today we are going to talk about cool unique feature of Playwright, that is CodeGen. With the help of this particular feature, we can record our test case. So what you need to do is you need to simply hit this particular command npx playwright CodeGen, which will open two windows. One is Chrome window, another is Playwright Inspector. And in the Chrome window, we just need to navigate through the application flow which we want to automate. And in the background, Playwright will record that flow in the form of test automation script. We can then copy that particular script and run our test case. So if you are a beginner and not sure where to start your journey from in Playwright, then this is the right place where you can start recording your test case and understand how to write test cases in Playwright. So without further delay, let us jump onto the practical demonstration. So this is the sample framework. We will not be talking about this particular framework because we are not worried about the same. Only thing that we need to do is we need to right click on the project to open the terminal. So I'm right clicking and clicking on open an integrated terminal. Now I'm going to type a command npx playwright CodeGen, right? As soon as I'll hit this particular command, it will open two windows. One is Chrome window, another is Playwright Inspector, right? And we are worried about this particular Chrome window where we are going to go through the user journey, right? So let us take this particular sample application as an example, right? So I'll be hitting this particular application, right? So when I'm hitting this particular application in the Playwright Inspector, it is noting or recording these options, right? So it has created a test and it has added this particular flow, that is launching of application, right? Next thing is, suppose we want to click on this particular checkboxes. So we can click on checkboxes. And if you go here, so it has performed this particular operation, right? And suppose now we want to verify something, right? For that purpose, there are different assertions, right? So there is assertion related to visibility. If you want to verify some text, if you want to verify some value, right? So we can use these options. Now, suppose we want to verify the visibility of this. So I'll be clicking on this and will be hovering my mouse here, right? As soon as I click here, now when we go to this, we'll see that one expect statement is also inserted to verify the first checkbox is visible or not, right? Now, when we want to perform a click option, so we are performing a click, right? And this particular click is performed, right? Likewise, if I go back and navigate to A/B testing this time, right? So this is also recorded, right? So you see, this is recorded, right? So if you are done with your test case, you need to simply stop your recording and your test case is ready. You can go here, copy your test case, right? And then come to test automation framework, right? Under this particular framework, I have this particular test directory where we are supposed to write the test cases. Under that, I have created CodeGen folder and then record.spec.ts, which is blank. And I'm going to copy this particular command, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to terminate this particular CodeGen and want to execute this particular test case. And for that purpose, I'm going to use command npx playwright test and record.spec.ts. This is how we execute our test cases in the Playwright. So it is saying no test case is found. What is the mistake that we have done? So npx playwright test record.spec.ts. And as a result, it is executing the test cases against Chrome browser because we have already configured in the playwright.config.ts, right? So you see, it has gone through the entire flow and now it is publishing the report as well. We can see the report, right? So the entire flow is appearing here. We can check the recording also because we have configured the video recording option as well. So now you will start seeing the flow as well, right? So it is launching application, clicking on check boxes, then going to AB/testing, right? So this is how it works, right? So this is how you can utilize this particular CodeGen tool to record your test case and understand how this particular flow works in the Playwright, right? So this is what I wanted to cover, guys, as part of the discussion. Thank you for watching. I would request you to please like, share and subscribe. Thank you once again.